click on this icon to register. For registration, enter your name and your email ID. Then, click on Submit button. This is Services page of Elins Cloud Server. Here you can select which sensor-based IoT ecosystem service you want to use on this page. You can click on any icon to open its IoT web panel. This icon will open the IoT web panel to control of industrial devices and home appliances. For infrared proximity sensor, real-time cloud data acquisition and package counting. For ultrasonic distance sensor, real-time cloud data update and yield level monitoring.